So, you want to start leverage or copy trading on BitGet. This is quite easy and we will explain it to you in this step-by-step video guide. The first step is to click the link in the pinned comment or in the description. This link will take you to BitGet and it is a referral link. The registration with BitGet is super simple. You just have to enter your email and set a password. As you can see, there is a referral code. This should be entered automatically, and if it isn't, please make sure to enter 623D. This code gives you the best trading fees and we get a commission for trades on the platform. After you complete this super complex pictograph, you should receive an email to your email address. With this email, you get a verification code, which you enter here, and then your account is created. On your first login, you will receive quite some notifications from BitGet. If you're new to exchanges, you should watch them, and if you're already in the know, you can skip them. The next step after registration is to head over to your assets or to your balance overview and deposit funds. In this case, BitGet uses for futures or the futures market mainly USDT, which is the coin, the stable coin we want to deposit to the exchange. It supports several networks, and if you send USDT from another exchange, TRX, so the first one is always the easiest and the cheapest one, but you can also send from Ethereum or many other chains. In this case, it doesn't require any KYC. Another solution to deposit funds is via bank deposit or credit card. In this case, you need to complete KYC afterwards, but you can directly use SEPA transfers in the Euro region and deposit Euro to the exchange. Since you have deposited Euro and we need USDT, you have to go and buy crypto, quick swap, and there you can exchange your Euros to USDT stablecoins. They give you an okay rate, but it is a really easy swap. If you do not want to do it, you can also trade the Euro or USDT pair and do it there. There you get a little bit better exchange rate. You see, you have to set KYC for this. I have funded the account with 1000 USDT from an exchange deposit, so I didn't have to do any KYC. And as you can see, the 1000 USDT is in my spot account, which means I can buy real Bitcoins or any other coin and transfer them out of the exchange. But since I want to trade futures or copy trade, I have to change it to the futures market. So I'm transferring spot USDT to futures USDT. As you can see, transfer succeeded, and now we have 1000 USDT in our future wallet. This brings us finally to the last steps. We head to copy trading, futures copy trading, and there we search for our trader. In this case, it is Trading Dom, who is a known German public trader with a lot of experience. We had him in an interview some time ago. As you can see, you cannot really trust those numbers. He has a negative copier value, but that is the case because those people, they did not really use the right risk management. And we will explain that later. As you can see, he is highly profitable with his trades. Of course, he also has losses, like no trader is perfect, but all in all, his trades are like long-term, really profitable and with not a lot of drawdown. That's why we recommend him. And as you can see, quite some people made some money with him. In the future, we might show you other traders, but for now it's him. So you just had to copy, and here you can see all the pairs which he can trade. those pairs, I wouldn't change anything. For the margin mode, you had to multiplier, not fixed amount. That is how the people lost their money. Multiplier, and then you set 1 for your equity. If your equity is below 5,000 USDT, you set margin mode 1 as a multiplier. If you have more than 5,000, you set 2, and for every 5,000 more, you increase it by 1. So over 10k is 3, and over 15k is 4, and so on. Here, the first two you don't change. Your stop loss and your take profit is set by the trader. That is really important because he handles the risk management. And in this case, you set the maximum follow to the maximum. It will use all of your futures account. And that's basically it. We just confirm it, and you're successfully following the trader. You can check it under followed traders. And here you would have your trading history, but since we just followed, there is nothing. You're following one of the most renowned trader in the crypto space. If we at some point find another trader, we will post him in the pinned comments. Thank you for watching.